Hey guys, Ali from ALTA Racks. Hey, we just got asked a question. Hey, when you put the E-Quattro on the stand, is it gonna tip over? It's like, ooh, I don't know. I've never tried it, but I have tried using a 6-pack and put it in a 3-sider because I was lazy, and it worked. So, how do you prove something? You just experiment. So here's an E-Quattro, 4 bikes on it. Yeah, they're not e-bikes, but you can see it's solid. I don't see this tipping over. I'm gonna bring it over here so you guys can see a clear view of this. Yep. I'm moving it around, pulling down. If I pull down hard enough, I guess I could lift that wheel a little bit, but don't pull down hard enough on that side, I guess. That will solve the problem. But here's E-Quattro on our mobile floor stand, completely free on this side, with 4 bikes on it. Solid. This is Ali from ALTA Racks coming to you live from Utah with James. Have a great day, y'all.